Good evening, Rebecca. You have asked for um, how to backup certain files to a particular folder. So let us see this. You go to the program. Once you go to the program, you have these options in the top of the menu. So once you go to the cases, you have this option to share, sharing. That is, you have options to import as well as export cases. If in case you want to export a particular case, there is this option which is current case or current. You can even export a current analysis, but then what you have asked for is to periodically have backup. So there is one particular option to have complete case data backed up. But what happens is that if you are backing up every time, you take in each and every case from the beginning. So sometimes you need multiple cases, which you can opt, or sometimes from particular time period to another time period, you may require to export these cases or have a backup of it. So what happens when you take for multiple cases is that it gives you an option to which group of or which particular case you would like to opt for a backup. So let's say this one you want to select this case, and then again you want to select one more case which is so particular, and this one. So if that is the case, when you select this option, you can even give a password to it. You can have these options incorporated or excluded from it. You can even give a password, whichever case, and go ahead with it. So it would ask you for a particular destination where it would ask you for naming it, as well as it would give you option to where that particular case has to be saved. You can choose one among them. Here I would choose this desktop. So I'm saving it here. So when I go back to the desktop, we can find it here that it is saved as specific cases, you can see, and the size of it would be somewhere around 12 KB, very less. So this is how it gets saved. So from here you can copy and paste it to whichever folder you like, or you can export it by default options that you have through your computer, or from a mail, through a mail you can export it, or you can directly upload it to your uh, cloud based services, any of them present. And let us go back here. If you want to have it backed up for a specific period of time, you have to select this option of export modified cases, and there you have this option. It starts from whichever date you have last preferred. So today I had last synchronized it, and today you can see from 11th, there are 7 cases for export. If you have to see, this is the, if this is the date. So let me modify it to say 1st of December, December 2016. So there are 57 cases for export. So I can now select to export these cases, not all the cases that are present here, but it would automatically take in only those cases that I have recorded in this, or I have repertorized in the program, or whatever data I have fed into it, from the December of 2016 till today, that is 11th of January 2017. So there are 57 cases and all the details are here. If you have any doubts, you can click over here like this, that these are the cases that those are going to get updated. So that's it, and then you go ahead and you can give a password, or you can let it like that itself, and choose to export it. So here, that's the thing. So I can name, or you can name it as you want, backup cases from 1st of December 2016 to 11th January 2017. So here it goes. we have exported it, and it's here backup cases as we have labeled, and the extension, if you can see, whatever, all the extension should be .cdx. Here it's cdx, it's cdx, it's cdx, and the amount of data that it has consumed for backing up of 57 cases is 500 KB. That's it. You can either upload it to cloud or you can set it wherever you want. I hope so this is helpful. Thank you.